Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix can't connecting TV on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. Click on connected devices and scroll down and click on smart view. After click on smart view, here showing you your TV. So if you want to fix cannot connecting TV, click on this dot icon and click on settings and click on the apps and make sure turn on Chromecast Sport. After turn on Chromecast Sport, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix cannot connecting TV on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.